Testing, testing. Hello and welcome back to the channel. Unless you're new, then welcome. Today I am filming from my new apartment, which I am so excited and happy to be in, and I can't wait to show you guys how it's coming along. I've spent the last week moving in and it's been a little hectic. I actually did most of it by myself, which I am so proud of, but I definitely want to include a mini tour of what it's looking like currently. Before we do that, I wanted to talk about Black Friday. So, as you probably know, we are in the thick of Black Friday right now. So, GYMSHARK is doing up to 70% off the entire site. And for today only, so the 27th, the day that I post this, there will be 24 hours where all athlete codes, including mine, Kayani10, will give you 24% off your order. Usually it's 10% off, and for this one day, it'll be 24% off. So that's a great deal because you can stack it on top of the already discounted prices. And so today I wanted to go over a few of my favorite pieces from GYMSHARK. I got lots of favorites, and I'll be trying them on, talking about quality, what I like, and yeah. I know that there is actually quite a bit of male viewers that I have on this channel, and so most of the clothes are kind of irrelevant information to you, but I don't want to neglect my female viewers. So hi girls, if you're watching, please say hi. But yeah, speaking of Black Friday, not only is GYMSHARK having their sale, but of course Transparent Labs is having their sale. They're having a pre-sale for their Black Friday, and for 24 hours, again, so Wednesday is the day to use the codes, but for 24 hours on Wednesday, my code will get you 25% off all supplements. If you're looking to try some new protein, pre-workout, if you need more creatine, they have it all, and they have it in great quality. All links will be in the description, and without further ado, let's get into this mini apartment tour because I am really liking how it's coming along. So here is a little overview of the living room. We got the kitchen here, which is like my favorite part. I guess we'll start here in the kitchen. Sink, my dish rack, my olive oil and vinegar. I got this 17-piece knife set, and these knives are so nice, so sharp. I've loved cooking with them already. Basics. Spice cabinet, microwave, hi. And then this beautiful machine is my coffee maker. So it makes coffee and espresso, and it's been amazing. I'm excited to wake up every day and have coffee. Fruit bowl and bananas. We got my personal list of things to do. I got some records. I don't currently have my record player because I left it with my little brother and he wanted to keep it, so I got a new one. I'm waiting for it to come in the mail. And then my little Christmas tree. This is my attempt at being festive. So we have 4 ornaments that are actually bigger than the tree itself, but each one is cute, I think, and special. And I got some bar stools here. These are some clothes I'm actually going to be going over later on in this video, and then storage bin of things. Now the setup, as you can see, it's looking kind of rough. Hello, Ellie. We got Ellie and we got Joel because I love The Last of Us. So I got quite a few questions on my PC because I did post it on Instagram. So I will very quickly, oh hi, my reflection. I'll very quickly go over the specs again. So we got a B450 Pro MSI motherboard, Ryzen 7 CPU, which yes, is honestly overkill for this specific build, but at the time that I bought it, it was the same price as the Ryzen 5 because it was on sale. So I was like, you know, why not get the better CPU for potential upgrades in the future? I got 32 gigabytes of RAM. My graphics card is pretty weak, honestly. It's a Gigabyte 1050. At the time of building it, it wasn't built for gaming, so It's served me well and it hasn't given me any issues yet, but I think I'm definitely due for an upgrade. A lot of people were recommending a 4060, which I might just do. It's only $300 now, which sounds expensive, but anyone who was building a PC in 2020 knows that a graphics card like that was easily like twice the price. So it feels more reasonable to spend the money. I don't know, we'll see. We'll see if it even makes sense for me, but what am I missing in here? I got my power supply, it's 650 watts, which again is kind of overkill for this build, but I got it because it was white and RGB, which is funny because you literally only see the little bit of light right there. I have a 500 gigabyte SSD. I actually have a 1 terabyte M.2 that I want to replace it with, but it's in storage, so I'm waiting to do that. And yeah, I'm so happy to have my PC back in my custody. And the setup is definitely a work in progress. I'm still moving in and have a lot of things I still need to acquire, but I have my gaming laptop, which I actually don't use for gaming. I just use it to edit my YouTube videos. New keyboard I picked up. It's so pretty. I'm probably going to replace the switches to go for like a creamier sound. Just such a weird way to describe the sound, but that is how they describe it, so yeah. And then some camera gear, kind of boring. And then this couch, I got a really good deal on this couch. It was 20% off, so I'm so happy. And it really matches this rug and my plushies. And I got this plant. My best friend actually gifted me this pothos, and it seems really happy right here by the window. It's already, like the leaves have perked up so much since I placed it here. And so I got this planter for it. If you know pothos, it's gonna kind of grow out and down. At least that's the goal. When it overgrows this planter, I got this little net thing from Home Depot where I should, sorry, I'm just waiting for the siren. Okay, I think it's gone. But yeah, I got a hanging yarn thing so that I can hang a planter when it's big enough, when it's ready to be transplanted. Now we have this entertainment center up next, which is honestly, there's not a lot going on, but here is my mirror for outfit checks. Hello. And then I got this sub and the sound bar for the TV that I don't have. I can't fit like a decent sized one in my car, so I'm just waiting for, I don't know what I'm waiting for. Got this cute little clock, houseplants, camera, my other camera, my beautiful camera, some special books. This is The Last of Us art. Some more books that are waiting for a bookshelf, and some camera gear, my unpacked carry-on, GYMSHARK gym bag, my other camera. All right, so that's kind of all I have at the moment. It's been wonderful. My room, we're not even gonna try and go in there because I don't have a bed frame or dressers or actually anything. I'm kind of just sleeping on my mattress. I don't want to rush into any big purchases. I feel like it's really cozy and comfortable as it is. So yeah, there's a few things I want to add in, but that's kind of why I call it like a mini apartment tour, just because there's not too much to go over yet. As I build it up, I'd love to do a more in-depth tour. I think that would be really nice down the line because I have big plans. It's just gonna take some time. So yeah, now that we got the tour out of the way, I can go ahead and get into my favorites from GYMSHARK for the Black Friday sale and hopefully help you get some ideas on what to pick up. All right, let's get into it. Okay, just a few. I'll start with what I'm wearing now. This is a Vital Seamless long sleeve crop top. Vital Seamless tops are like easily a top 3 staple for me. I find them to be very flattering. I like that it's more covered. And then I have the everyday seamless black shorts. I wear these all the time. I am a creature of habit, so when I find something that I like, that I'm comfortable and confident in, I kind of just wear it all the time. Under this, I have Elevate Sports Bra, and the Elevate Sports Bra is low-key an underrated recent drop from Gymshark that is really flattering, provides good support, and if you don't like have much to support, I would say this is like a perfect sports bra. And another thing I've been really enjoying lately is Gymshark's purples. The purple things that they've been releasing have been such nice shades. I have a minimal sports bra in, I think the color's called Fog Purple. Pretty sure it's one of their best sellers just because it's so versatile and flattering. And then I like to wear it with the Adapt Camo magenta shorts. These shorts are nice. They're a little bit shorter than most of their other shorts, and I think it looks really nice with the sports bra. The other purple that they popped off with is the new Adapt Safari. So it's like a deep magenta. I paired it with the ruched strappy sports bra in pretty much the same color. I did not know these sports bras existed until a couple days ago, and I really like them. They're like the minimal sports bra with just a little bit more support. Another top 3 piece for me is the open back long sleeve top. So they have it in black and white. I wear the black almost constantly. It's just so flattering. I love that it's a full length top. Most things are cropped, but you know, some days I just want to wear like a full length shirt. Plus, it's really flattering with the open back where you can see all the back gains. And Gymshark has a ton of strappy, like backless type sports bras that look really good under it. The one that I have here is the Adapt Camo in, forget the specific kind of green, but it's like a darker green, and the same green in the leggings. Very stretchy, comfortable, and I like how the black and green looks. Another little fit that I have put together is this bright blue. It's almost like a periwinkle, if you can even say that. What a funny name for a color. But anyway, let's just go with it. Periwinkle. And then the Vital seamless top. Same exact style, same fit. And then we have these Apex leggings. Now, this is a whole different material. It's so soft. One of their softest materials. Really stretchy. And then it has like this contour detailing around the legs and the waist here. And the little stripe is like a lighter blue, which I think goes nicely with this Vital. All right, and now this top. I just received this 2 days ago, and it's so cute. I love that it's full length again. It's got some like capped sleeves, which is great if you're hitting upper body or shoulders and you want to like really show off that shoulder pump. I love the superhero vibe. And lastly, I'll go over a few of my favorite pants and shorts. So number 1, we got the 5-inch mesh shorts. Now these are unisex, so girls and guys can wear them. They also have a 7-inch inseam option if you want them to be a little bit longer. If you want to wear something that's not so like form-fitting. And a lot of the time I do prefer to wear something a little bit looser, so this is great for those days. While we're on the topic of looser bottoms, we got these pumper pants. Now these are really cool. We have a navy with like a bandana kind of pattern going on here. It has this little patch with a buff lady on it, so that's really cool. Yeah, we have that in the navy bandana color, and then also just a plain black. 2 great pump covers for the lower half. We also have these newer sweatpants. So I like to wear these to the gym and also just around because they're very comfortable. And then it has the Gymshark logo right on the buttocks, right on the goods. It's more of a like a lighter wash black. So it has like this faded, grungy look on it. Lastly, this is just absolutely classic. They're black joggers, black training joggers. They have them in a few different colors. I wear them constantly. They're perfect. They're comfortable. Take advantage of these really good deals right now. It's the best time of the year to shop. I know it's when I'm getting my Christmas gifts for other people, and especially my brothers, who are definitely not watching this, but they love their Gymshark, so I will be partaking in this sale. But yeah, I hope that helped, gave you some ideas or maybe a little inspiration. Thank you for watching. If you do end up shopping the Gymshark or Transparent Lab sale and use my code, just know that it means a lot to me, and I really hope you love what you get. They have some great quality stuff, some staples that lasted me and will last me years. So yeah, thank you for being here. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.